Okay, class. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Noreen.
Okay, good afternoon, class. So, magpe-pray muna tayo bago tayo mag-lesson. Okay, so magpe-prayer. Okay, say, just.
Lord, gabayan niyo po kami sa araw na to. Sana po, patulungan niyo po kami sa mga po namin. Sana po, magawa po namin ang ulit ako. Gabayan po, Lord po.
Okay, thank you for the wonderful prayer. Stand up muna, class. Stand up muna, okay. Tingnan muna natin yung mga ilalim kung may kalat. Okay? Ilagay muna yung ay mga bags natin. Ilagay muna natin dito sa side.
Lalaman niyo po.
Okay, then okay. And then, clear your desk muna. Tanggalin ang mga nasa lamesa na hindi naman kailangan today. Sharpener, darling. Okay, now sit down. Okay, check muna natin ang ating attendance. Say present kapag naandito kayo, okay? Leona Kat Marcelo, Cheska Fortes, Lucia Natividad,
Present.
Zaid Gabas, present. So, wala namang absent ngayon, right? Walang absent? Okay, walang absent. So, meron tayo dito meron kayo nakita here in front of teacher, class rules, or the 5 is. So, first is be prepared. Okay, be prepared. Second is be positive. So, paano yung positive? Patingin ng positive? Smile! Smile! Okay, very good. Be productive like ginagawa nyo ngayon. And now is be respectful. Okay, be respectful. Okay? The last one is be participative. So, dapat magpa-participate kayo sa mga activities natin mamaya and kay teacher. Okay? Do you have a question? Okay. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating lesson, gusto niyo ba ng energizer?
Yes!
Ay, parang walang mga energy. So, gusto niyo ba ng energizer?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So, guys, stand up. Class, stand up tayo. Stand up na tayo sa likod para mas malawak. Ipot nyo dito yung upuan masyado. Para malawak yung pag-aano. Hindi, dito. Dito kayo. Ayan. Or if you want, dito na lang kayo sa una para dito kayo.
Ate Marie.
Dito kayo sa unahan. Unahan. Okay, dito sa unahan. Dito ka. Harap kayo dito. Harap. Harap. Okay. Okay. Lalaro tayo today ng Simon Says. Sino ang nakakaalam ng Simon Says? Okay. So, ang gagawin natin ay Simon Says, evaporate. Paano ang evaporate? Like this. Read. Simon Says, condense. Nagawa kayo ng form of cloud. Simon Says, precipitate. What is this? Rain. Very good. Simon Says, runoff. Jump. Simon Says, plants. Okay, very good. Simon Says, groundwater. Which one? Reach the ground. Okay, very good. So, ready na ba tayo?
Papa.
Okay. So, good. Okay, ready? Say, yes, mom.
Yes, Ma'am.
Again, are you ready?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay. Simon Says, Evaporate is reaching the sky. Parang ano siya, ano no? Slowly. Okay, again. Simon says condense. Okay, very good. Simon says precipitate. What is this again?
Rain.
Simon says plants. Okay, very good. Okay, Simon says evaporate. Okay, very good. Clap naman tayo sa sarili. Very good, okay? You can go to your seat na. Very good, very good. Okay, dahil very good kayo, bibigyan kayo ni teacher ng
Candy.
candy. Sino may gusto ng candies? Okay, very good. Dahil may reward si teacher sa inyo. Dahil magagaling kayo. Okay. Ngayon, tayo ay mag-proceed na sa another activities natin. Which is I belong here. So for the instruction is meron si teacher dito mga pictures and the whiteboard, cardboard. So ang gagawin nyo lang is ilalagay nyo itong mga pictures na to sa whiteboard kung saan siya madalas nyo nakikita. Okay, understood? Are we clear?
Yes.
Again, are we clear?
Crystal clear.
Okay. Are we clear?
Crystal clear.
Okay, very good. Crystal clear. So, gagawin natin is, anong gagawin? Ititikan sa cardboard kung saan nyo usually nakita yung mga pictures. And then after that, magtatawag ako kung sino yung gustong magbigay ng insight about the picture after nyo itikan sa cardboard. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready na. So, dito. Lapit na dito yung row 1. Dito kayo, row 1. Here. No, dito kayo. Wait up. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay. So, sit down na ulit sa inyong mga proper set. Go to your proper set na. Okay, very good. So, very good. Ang ganda ng mga dinikit nyo here. So, nag-participate ba lahat? Okay. So, tatawag ako kung sino yung gustong magbigay ng insight about the picture. Okay? Sino gusto? Okay. Sky, stand up. At ito sa unahan. mo or any thoughts about the picture?
This picture is called water. This is the sun, this is the clouds, and this is the rain. This is the waterfall, and this is the land.
Okay? So, thank you very much. Very good. Maganda. Ang galing niya. So, na-predict na agad niya is the water cycle because of the sun, clouds, rain, and the land. So, palakpakan naman natin si Sky. Okay. Dahil dyan, meron kang candy from teacher. So, good job everyone dahil nagawa niyo yung ating first activity. So, ngayon, gusto ko yung tanungin kung ano yung ginagawa niyo sa inyong house pag walang pasok or kapag uwi niyo ng bahay galing sa school. So, familiar ba kayo or gumagawa ba kayo ng house chores?
Papa.
Gumagawa kayo ng house chores?
Papa.
Okay, give me some house chores na ginagawa niyo. Anyone? Okay, Lucia. Nagwawalis. Very good. Sino pa? Cheska.
Nagugas ng plato.
Naghuhugas ng plato. Very good. Ano pa? Sky.
Naglilinis ng kwarto.
Naglilinis ng kwarto. Zane.
Ng libro.
Na? Naglilinis ng table. Okay, very good. Ay, ang babait naman ninyo sa house nyo. Bakit nyo ginagawa yun? Okay, Cheska.
Para lumatulong sa mga magulang.
Para makatulong sa magulang. Very good. Other answer. Other answer, other hands. Sino gusto kong magano? Ikaw, Zay, bakit ka nagawa ng gawaing bahay?
Parang hindi nila gawin.
Para hindi na gawin nila, mami?
Opo.
Okay, para hindi na pwede. So, very good lahat na sinabi nyo para hindi na tayo maging, para mabigyan natin sila ng what? Ng rest. Ano pa? Para matulungan natin. And dapat maging responsible din. So, dapat ay lagi tayong ganon na tutulungan natin lagi sila mommy and daddy. So, na-try nyo na bang magsaing or mag-boil ng eggs?
Opo.
Ikaw, Cheska, nakapagsaing ka na? Very good. So, ngayon, okay, sit properly. Sit properly. Okay. So, before we proceed to our main topic, gagawa ulit tayo ng another activity called, can you read please?
Let's boil egg.
Okay, again, sabay-sabay tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's boil egg.
Okay, let's boil the egg. So, ready na ba kayo?
Opo.
Okay, first is, syempre, andito si teacher to guide you para sing tayo. Okay, first step is gently place the egg in a single layer at the bottom of your pan. The second step is add enough hot water to the pot and cover the pot with a lid. The third is place the pot on the stove over the high heat, and then last step is then after that observe what's going on inside the pot while boiling the egg. Okay? So, naiintindihan natin class?
Opo.
Okay. So, ready na ba?
Opo.
Again, ready na ba?
Opo.
Okay. Observe nyo, okay? O, malayo ha. Malayo. Observe nyo, observe. Okay, one by one na lang para isa. Okay, huwag ka muna, Zay. Observe mo. Okay, are you done? Okay. Ito ka sa gilid. Ikaw, Iya. Okay, abot. Kita mo? Okay. Next, at the sky. Okay na? Okay na. So now is, nagbaboil na yung egg. Anong mga na-observe nyo? Ano yung na-observe nyo?
Yung egg at saka yung water.
Yung water and egg. Ano pa? Kumukulo. Okay, very good. Bakit kaya kumukulo? Ano kayang source nun?
Dahil sa
Very good, dahil sa heat. So, as you can see, meron siya, medyo foggy siya, no? Tingnan nyo, foggy, no? Medyo foggy, nakikita nyo? Ang tawag doon is vapor. So, kapag tinanggal natin, patay na. O, kapag tinanggal na natin yung lid ng pot, anong makikita nyo dito sa takip? Water or let's say the raindrops. No? Raindrops. Ayan, water siya, naka-stuck siya dun sa may lid. And then, after that, kapag naka-stuck na siya sa lid, nag-form siya ng, ayan, mainit. Nag-form siya ng smoke or the vapor, mangyayari is, ano nangyari? Pagka tinaob na yung teacher,
yung water.
may water na bumagsak, no? Which is their rain. So, after that, ang nangyari is, tumaas, papunta sa lid, nagkaroon ng fog or the vapor, and then, pagka angat natin, nagkaroon siya ng mga drops or water drops, and then kapag sobrang bigat na nung lid or let's say the clouds, ang nangyayari is, bumabagsak na, which is, rain. Okay, very good. Ayan, nagbe-vapor na ulit. Ibig sabihin nun, nagkakaroon siya ng, parang foggy siya, no? Foggy siya, no? Parang umaano siya, lumalabo. No? Okay, very good guys. Very good. So, nakita niyo yung activity natin kanina? Opo. So, na-observe niyo kung ano yung nangyayari habang nagbaboil tayo ng ano nga pinoil natin? Okay, so very good kayo dahil na-observe niyo sila ng maayos at nakapagbigay kayo ng magagandang insight or observation dun sa ating ginawang activity. So, ang ating lesson today is about the water cycle. Okay, again, ang ating lesson today ay water cycle. Okay, water cycle. So, for the objectives, at the end of the lesson, students should be able to define the water cycle, describe the stages of the water cycle. So, kanina na-predict na agad ni Sky kung ano yung ginawa niyo sa ating first activity, which is the pictures, ay about sa water cycle. So, i-define natin kung ano ba ang water cycle. Water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, involves a series of stages that show the continuous movement and interchange of the water between its three phases, which is, anong three phases natin, or three mothers. Okay? Okay, very good. Gas, liquid, solid, and gas. So, yun. Which is the solid, liquid, and gas in the Earth's atmosphere. The sun acts as the primary source of energy that powers the water cycle on Earth. Bernard Palissy discovered the modern theory of the water cycle. So the first step of the water cycle is about how does it work. So change from the liquid or gaseous phase evaporation. Yung ginawa natin kanina energizer, which is the evaporation. Ano yung evaporation? Paano yung movement niya? Pataas. So, the heat of the sun causes water from the surface of water bodies such as oceans, streams, and lakes at evaporate into water vapor in the atmosphere. So, nakita nyo kanina kung ano yung nangyayari doon sa boiled egg, which is tumataas, nag-i-evaporate siya, di ba? So, nag-i-evaporate siya, papunta dun sa lid ng pot. Okay. Papunta siya sa lid ng pot, and paano nagkakaroon ng clouds. So, nagkakaroon siya ng pictures about the dust particles and the gaseous galing dun sa vapor. Okay? Ayan. Ang source of the source of energy is which is the sun. Or the heat energy. So, tumatama yung sun dun sa water, dun sa ating land. Sa dito. Ayan. So, tumatama yung heat energy sa land, the water or the river, and then tumataas na, yun ang tinatawag na evaporate, or the rising water vapor. Kaya ano tawag nga? Evaporation. Ano tawag?
Evaporation.
Okay, very good. So, paano nga ulit nagkakaroon ng clouds? Pictures of gas particles at dust particles and gaseous. Okay, gaseous. So, paano nga nagpo-form ang clouds? Gas particles and gaseous. Okay. So, ito naman sa condensation is change from gaseous to liquid process. So, the invisible water vapor formed through evaporation, yung kanina pinakita ko sa inyo, and dun sa nakita nyo dun sa nagbo-boil ng egg. Transpiration and sublimation rises through the atmosphere, while cool air rushes to take its place. This is the process of condensation that allows water vapor to transform back into liquid, which is then stored in the form of clouds. So, yun nga. Dito sa condensation is nag-form siya ng clouds and then nagtaas siya na doon sa clouds na yon is doon na nagpo-form yung rain. So, doon na nagpo-form yung water na galing dito sa ating land. Ayan, nakita nyo. Pwede mag-bulto. It's vapor, and then pataas siya galing sa heat. And then, after that, nagpo-form na siya ng clouds. And then, after that, ayan. This is process of condensation that allows water vapor to transform back into liquid. Ano kayang nangyayari? Ano nangyayari kapag madilim yung clouds? Umuulan? Very good, Cheska. So, yun na ang nangyayari is the tinatawag na precipitation. Change from gaseous to liquid and solid base. So, wind movements cause the water landed, clouds to collide and fall back on the Earth's surface through precipitation, which is the rain. Okay, very good. And then, the water that evaporated in the first stage thus returns into different water bodies on the Earth's surface, including the oceans, rivers, ponds, and the lake. So yan, pagka umuulan, bumabalik na ulit siya dun sa dating sa water, sa pagiging water. And then, anong next kaya? Ayan. So kanina, paano yung runoff? Paano yung runoff? Okay, very good. Tanda pa. So, return of the water back into the underground reserve or the runoff and collection. Some amount of precipitated water flows down the sides of the mountains, the hills to reach the water bodies, which again evaporates into the atmosphere. So, ang atmosphere natin is ano? So, nangyayari is nagko-collect na ulit or pumupunta siya sa dati niyang pinanggalunan, which is the water bodies. And yung mga water bodies is ocean, rivers, ponds, lakes. Okay, ma'am. So, nangyayari is bumabalik ulit siya. And after that, the cycle goes on and goes on and goes on. Pabalik-balik lang siya. Are we clear on that?
Yes!
Okay, ano ba sabi ni teacher kapag sinabi ni teacher na, are we clear on that? Ang sasabihin?
Crystal clear!
Crystal
Clear!
Okay, very good. So, naintindihan na natin kung ano yung water cycle?
Opo!
Okay, ano nga ulit dito sa, ano nga ulit ang step dun sa water cycle? First is evaporation. Second, condensation. Third, precipitation. And then the fourth is runoff or the collection. Very good. So, ayan. Ayan yung video. So, ayan. Ayan yung tinatawag natin, let's say it's a lake. And then, pag pataas, the evaporation, and then form of clouds. Then, nangyayari is, pag na-form ng clouds, and sobrang heavy na nung clouds, ang nangyayari is nag-rain. And then, it collects again. Okay? Bumabalik siya ulit sa sa dagat, sa ocean, or the lake. So, yun, ang source of energy. Anong source of energy? Saan galing yung energy na yan? Sun? Because of the heat energy. So, the water cycle. In trivia time, so kanina na-mention ko the sublimation and the transpiration. Did you know that even plants sweats? Namamawis din ang mga plants. Oh, madami tayong plants dito. Nasa mga plants? Okay, yan. So, nag-ano pala sila? Namamawis din. Yan ang tinatawag na transpiration. So, kaya na nakapunta na ba kayo sa bundok or nakatingin na kayo sa matataas na lugar? Kaya doon, di ba, minsan masyadong naulan, it's because of the transpiration. So, yung mga water, hindi, or sweat ng mga plants, is nag-evaporate din sila papuntang clouds to condense to precipitation. Okay? And then the next one is the transition where a substance goes directly from a solid to a gas. Bypassing the liquid process, called sublimation. So, for example, the snow. Di ba ang water, ang rain, nag-evaporate siya and then punta siya sa may clouds and then nagiging rain. Ito naman si snow is directly evaporate, hindi siya nagiging liquid. Ano lang siya, kung ano yung texture niya or the snow, pataas lang siya and then tsaka lang siya babagsak. Ayun, tama. Magiging snow pa rin siya. Hindi siya magiging liquid or rain. Very good, class. Okay, so we are done. So very good, everyone. Palakpakan naman natin ang sarili natin. Naintindihan ba, class?
Opo!
Okay, naintindihan ba, Say?
Opo!
Okay, very good. So, naintindihan naman pala natin lahat. So, magbibigay naman si teacher ng exercise or quiz. So, kuha kayo ng paper. Kuha kayo ng paper. So, mabilis lang to. 1 to 5 lang siya, okay? 1 to 5. Lagay niyo yung name niyo and your grade. Grade 4, maganda. Grade 4, maganda. So, very good kayo dahil ang bilis ng topic natin and na-pick up nyo kaagad. Nakakatuwa. So, sa other lesson naman natin tomorrow is dapat maging prepared din tayo, no? Mag-advance reading tayo, okay? Okay, ready na? Number 1. Multiple choice lang to. Ang sasagot nyo lang is A, B, C. Okay? Number 1, the process by which liquid water changes into a gaseous state or the water vapor and rises into atmosphere is called A. Condensation, B. Precipitation, C. Evaporation. The process by which liquid water change into gaseous water or gaseous state, the water vapor, and rises into atmosphere called A. Condensation, B. Precipitation, or C. Evaporation. Okay, choice ko lang siya babanggitan ha, mga anak. Number 2, when water vapor is the atmosphere cools and change back into tiny liquid water droplets or ice crystals, forming clouds, this process is known as A. Evaporation, B. Condensation, or C. Runoff. A. Evaporation, B. Condensation, or C. Runoff. Number 3. Water returning to the Earth's surface in the form of rain or snow, sleet, or hail is called A. Evaporation, B. Runoff, or C. Precipitation. Are you done? Okay. Number 4. When the precipitation falls on land and flows over the surface in rivers, lakes, and oceans, it is called A. Groundwater, B. Infiltration, or C. Runoff. Last number. Number 5. What is the primary source of energy that drives the Earth's water cycle? Again, what is the primary source of energy that drives the Earth's water cycle? A. Geothermal energy from the Earth's core. B. Wind, solar, or C. Solar energy from the sun. A. Geothermal energy from the Earth's core. B. Wind, solar, or C. Solar energy from the sun. Okay? Tapos na ba ang class? Okay, tapos na. Pens down. Okay. Sino gustong sumagot sa number 1? Okay. Sky?
Letter C.
C is tama. Evaporation. Okay, check nyo. Number 2, sino gustong sumagot? Number 2, sino? Okay, Jessica. B. Very good. Letter B, number 2, condensation. Number 3, sino gusto sumagot? Okay, Zay. C. Sagot mo C? Number 3. Very good. Precipitation. Letter C. Number 4. Okay, Cheska. C. Very good. Runoff. Number 5. Lucia. Anong sagot mo? Anong sagot mo? Okay, Cheska. Okay, it's okay. Cheska? C. C. Very good. C. Solar energy from the sun. Okay, very good class. So, sinong naka-5? Okay, very good, Sky and Cheska. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. naka-2 si Lucia and 4 si Dave. Okay, shutdown tayo. Meron kayong assignment for today. Ang assignment nyo today is okay. Assignment, draw the steps of the water cycle and how does it work. Be creative, okay? Ang assignment nyo ay magdodraw kayo ng water cycle, step nila, and paano ito gumagana or nangyayari, okay? Okay, that's all for this afternoon. Thank you. Stand up. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Noreen. Thank you for teaching us.
Okay, thank you then for listening. So you can go home now, okay? Be careful and stay safe. Bye-bye.